Here's a recommendation for a filling keto meal. It's homemade beef burgers with kale. My recommendation when it comes to red meat is that you always buy meat from the butcher. Make sure it's Irish. Lean beef preferably over pork or lamb, and eat it just once a week, 300 gram max. The link with colon cancer is that it's the heme in the red blood cell that can get converted into heme metabolites. But if you eat a green with it, the magnesium molecule in a green, it competes in the gut and it helps to reduce the heme metabolites. So key message, anytime you're having a red meat, always eat a green with it. So how do you make the homemade burgers? Well, you just basically add the spice that you fancy with it. Nothing else. Seal both sides in a skillet pan, preheat your oven to 180, and when it's sealed, add it into your oven and then switch your oven to a grill and melt the cheese on top. Kale is the most nutritious of all the vegetables to eat with it, but I've never really liked kale. But yesterday I cooked it and I absolutely loved it. So what I did is I steamed it firstly. I washed and I steamed it. And then I took it out and I chopped it really finely. Then I added it back in and steamed it again. And then I added to it a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice with salt and pepper, and it was gorgeous. So I had 2 by 110 gram lean beef burgers with kale. There's your macros. Look at that. The whole meal came to just 2 gram of carb, but 8 gram of fiber, and that fiber came from the kale. I create my own recipes, and as you know, the food has to be tasty.